External threats are the forces outside your organization that can disrupt, damage, or derail your plans. In this video, we're diving into 3 of the most common and powerful categories of external threats: competitors, technology shifts, and political or regulatory changes. Understanding these forces helps you prepare, not panic. Let's start with competitive threats. These come from companies that are either already in your space or entering it soon. They can undercut you on price, out-innovate you on product features, or outspend you on marketing. But competition isn't just about other brands. It's about alternatives. For example, Netflix isn't just competing with Hulu or Amazon, it's also competing with YouTube, TikTok, and even video games for attention. Don't just look at your direct competitors. Ask, where else could our customers go to solve the same problem? Next, we have technological threats. These can be game changers. A new platform, app, or breakthrough can shift customer expectations overnight. Think about how smartphones disrupted the camera industry, or how cloud computing changed software forever. The danger isn't just being behind, it's staying static while the world moves forward. Track emerging tech in your space and ask, what could make our current model obsolete? Then there are political and regulatory threats. These include new laws, shifting trade policies, labor regulations, or taxation changes. They can slow your operations, change your cost structure, or limit how and where you do business. The key here is early awareness. Are new bills being introduced in your industry? Is regulation tightening around privacy, AI, or sustainability? Stay informed through policy trackers, legal briefings, and industry associations. What makes these threats especially tricky is that they often overlap. A regulatory change can open the door for a new competitor. A tech disruption can trigger new political attention. That's why your analysis has to be ongoing, not a one-time review. Build systems for threat monitoring. Set up alerts, join forums, and have regular strategy check-ins. It's also helpful to map threats by urgency and impact. Some threats require immediate action. Others just need monitoring. Don't spread your focus too thin. Prioritize the threats that are both likely and high impact, and make sure your response is aligned with your strengths. And here's a mindset shift. Threats can also be signals. If you see a competitor gaining traction, ask what they've spotted that you haven't. If you see a new technology rising, ask how you can use it, not just defend against it. Sometimes your biggest threat today becomes your biggest opportunity tomorrow. In your SWOT analysis, don't just list competitors or tech trends. Analyze them. What exactly do they threaten? How vulnerable are you? And most importantly, what's your plan? Because the best strategy isn't avoiding threats, it's outmaneuvering them.